Dear ladies and gentlemen, today I have the unique pleasure of unveiling a cinematic piece the likes of which you have never seen. This entire film, down to the very last frame, is the product of artificial intelligence. The voices that reach your ears, the melodies, the very ambiance, all crafted by the unseen hand of AI. Much like my initial forays into the world of cinema were shaped by the limitations of their time, our modern tools have crafted a distinctive visual narrative. Let's christen it AI cinema. So, without further ado, I present to you the Mannequin.
Good morning, dear listeners. As always, I'm here with the top news to start your day. The young lady who disappeared a few weeks ago remains missing, and disturbingly, more cases of women vanishing in the city are being reported. A most puzzling situation, isn't it? But now let's brighten up your morning with some of the best tunes around.
Hello.
Good morning, my darling.
How are you, my dear?
What plans do you have for today?
I was thinking of taking a stroll downtown, perhaps see what's new in the boutiques.
Well, our favorite singer is performing at the club tonight. Shall we meet there?
All right, splendid. I'll see you then, tonight at the club.
Until then...
Why, darling. Such a beautiful day. Okay, enough crying. Daddy is no more here. Let's move forward with everything. And that second-hand clothing store? I've never seen it before.
Excuse me, fair lady, may I assist you with something?
Oh, yeah. Actually, I saw this striking black mannequin. It had such a lifelike gaze. It truly gave me a little shiver. But then, you know, it just vanished.
The black mannequin? Yes, we did have such a piece some time ago. But curiously, it hasn't been seen since the day our dear assistant disappeared. Rather uncanny, wouldn't you say? That very day, the mannequin too seemed to have vanished into thin air.
Well then, I don't know, it's strange, isn't it? Oh well, I guess I'll be on my way.
Certainly, my dear, do have a splendid day, and please do return when the winds of fate beckon you this way once more.
Hey there. Sweet thing. It feels like ages since our paths last crossed. How's life been treating you?
Well, darling, I've been mostly fine and dandy, but let me tell you, today I had the most peculiar episode.
Why, darling. Peculiar? That's quite the word choice. Whatever could have transpired. You mustn't keep me on tenterhooks. Do share the tale before I become all aflutter.
My dear, I decided to grace the town center with my presence and happened upon this quaint little vintage clothing shop. The idea struck my fancy, so I ventured in. As I perused the aisles, lo and behold, I laid my eyes upon the most eerie mannequin. It was almost as if it breathed life. I was utterly taken aback and quite alarmed, to be honest.
Oh, heavens above. My precious, such a bewildering tale you weave. I do believe I know the very vintage emporium you speak of in the heart of town, owned by that rather eccentric and shadowy figure, if memory serves. The same establishment where not so long ago a young maiden in their employ mysteriously disappeared into the ether.
Oh, honey, that gentleman told me something quite similar. When I asked about the mannequin, he said they hadn't seen one like that since that sweet girl went missing. So strange, right? It just gave me all sorts of chills. Do you think, maybe I'm just being a little silly?
No, darling, don't you fret about it any longer. And perk up those lovely ears. Our favorite crooner's about to serenade us.
The night is young, the moon is bright. Your smile shines brighter than in any light. So take my hand, let's hit the town. Forget our worries, leave them down. We'll hit the spots where only cat can see, the joints where dames and gents all swing. The bands will play our favorite tune beneath the glow of a crescent moon.
Good morning, listeners. Once again, we're here with the latest headlines. The search for the missing girl continues and the mystery deepens. Where have these girls gone? One can only wonder. And now, as every morning, a selection of the finest tunes from around the globe.
The mannequin?
Once again, we find ourselves reporting on the distressing disappearance of another young woman in our city, deepening the ongoing mystery of these vanishing incidents. The exact circumstances remain unclear. On a different note, looking ahead at our weekend weather, it promises to be pleasant, perfect for any planned